Hello students, today we will start with a few more points in quadrilaterals. So let us start. Today we are discussing about the properties of the quadrilaterals. So first thing is properties of parallelogram. If you see the figure, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram if it has the following properties. You can identify the given figure by the following properties, whether the given figure is a parallelogram or not. That is, both pair of opposite sides are equal, means AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. If we see second point, both pair of opposite sides are also equal. That is, angle DAB is equal to angle DCB and angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. Third point, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. That is, if you see a pair, that is AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Its diagonals bisect each other. Now you know what is the meaning of bisection. That is, it divides themselves into two equal parts. That is, AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. Diagonals are not equal to each other. That is, AC is never equals to BD. These are the points by which you can recognize the given parallelogram. One more thing, you should note down that the sum of two values, that is angle ABC plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. Why so? Because they are known as adjacent angles, angle on the same base. Similarly, other three more angles are there because their sum is equal to 180 degree. Understood? Now moving to the next slide, that is properties of rectangle. In this figure you will find that a quadrilateral is a rectangle if it has the following properties. To identify the figure rectangle, you have to go through these points. Both pairs of opposite sides are equal, that is AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Its diagonals bisect each other. That is, AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. So these are the 3 points which are similar to a parallelogram, but other 2 points makes the rectangle totally different from a parallelogram. So you have to go through these 2 points very seriously, because it will only tell you the difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle. That is, each angle is equal to 90 degree, means all the 3 vertex angles of a rectangle are equal to 90 degree, where a parallelogram is not having any of the 4 angles to 90 degree. Second point, diagonals are equal to each other. That is, AC is equal to BD, whereas the parallelogram is not having its diagonals equal. These are the 2 points which will make a rectangle totally different from a parallelogram. If we go through the properties of rhombus, we will find that the properties of rhombus are same as the parallelogram. Only the 2 points are there which makes the parallelogram different. If you go through the properties, you will find all the properties same as a parallelogram, but only the 2 properties will make the rhombus different from a parallelogram. So you have to see these 2 points to identify the figure rhombus. The first is, all the sides of rhombus are equal. Okay, you know, in the previous slide we have seen that the opposite pair of sides of a parallelogram are equal, whereas a rhombus is having all its four sides equal. Here AB is equal to BC, is equal to CD, and is equal to BA. Second point, the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. That is, the diagonals of a rhombus bisects each other at 90 degree, which is not possible in a parallelogram. That is, in a parallelogram, the diagonals never bisect each other at a 90 degree. These are the 2 points which are different, which makes rhombus different from a parallelogram. Rest other points, other identification is same as a parallelogram. Now if we have to see the square, we have to go through the properties of a square. The properties of a square are same as a rectangle, only it is also having 2 different points. So that is, it's all the 4 sides are equal. That is, PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP. All the 4 sides of a square are same, whereas in the case of rectangle, only the pair of opposite sides are equal. The diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. The diagonals of a square bisect each other at 90 degree. These 2 points will show you the difference between a rectangle and a square. Means if these 2 are different, you can identify that the given figure is a square. Okay. So these were the 4 basic types of quadrilaterals which we are going to use in our exercises. Just go through a summary of all the 4 quadrilaterals. It is a brief summary. This will help you to identify the figures in a very short way. If you go through these 9 points, you will find which figure is having those points and which figure is not having those points. This is a brief description. Just go through it and then start the given exercise. Okay.